Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Latanya, and today's tutorial is going to be on the luxury tablescape for Christmas. I am not vlogging this month, but I will put out a video every week. I am getting back on track. I am getting some more contents, and I have two contents that's going to be coming out. One on a redo of my floor in my like slash dining room kitchen den, getting redone. I will put that video out sometime. It's probably come out back to back, but I might put it out next week. But I'm not going to hold you any long because I know you guys don't like long videos, everybody vlogging. So I am going to make this kind of short, but maybe not. But I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please leave me a comment below. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload videos. Thank you for my 100 subscribers. I do have over that, and I thank you guys for rocking with me and liking my contents, and hope I can get more subscribers to let me know that you love what I do so I can keep on doing and keep on striding. But until then, I will turn it over to this video, but please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on. I thank you so much. And look, I am starting my diet. I got to do better. My cholesterol is so high. So I'm starting out with my protein shakes with all my vegetables and fruits in it. It's pretty good. So I am trying to beat this cholesterol problem because it is a problem. So wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck, to get this cholesterol down, because I know it is lead to heart problems, liver problems, all kind of problems. Um, I know we love a lot of food and that we love to eat, but it hurts us in the long run. So it's hurting me now. So I have to cut back on a lot of things that does cause cholesterol problems. And but that's not part of this video. So just let you know, this is my breakfast. This is my breakfast right now. Breakfast and probably lunch, because this thing make you full. Oh my God. So like I said, today's video is gonna be on the tablescape and not make whatever my health problems. But don't forget to leave your comments. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you for tuning in with me once again. If you like the content that you just seen, please comment below. Until the next time, you guys, happy holidays. Bye bye.